Hey guys, how's it going? I've watched One Guy, One Jar. The fuck is that? two guys, one horse. Two girls, one cup. Now I'm watching One Guy, One Screwdriver.
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
Oh, it's still going!
Ridiculous.
Ah! Damn! No! Who does this?
Well, at least he had gloves on. Safety first, kid.
I think this is the same guy who did the fucking One Guy, One Jar.
It is.
The fuck's up? Kill this man! Kill this man.
He's putting work on it.
I'm done with challenges. Yeah, pretty much done. I've seen them all. If you guys have any more other than the ones that I've already done,
Request it, please.
yeah, just comment in the video or some shit, cause I guess I'll do them. Yeah. Alright, see you guys later. Peace.